Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Vicky Crochet Art. Today we'll make this very beautiful crochet cap for newborn baby. So let's start. We have taken wool of Vardhman brand baby soft wool and crochet is of 3 mm. We'll take yarn over our front finger and hold with thumb and mid finger and control it with the lower two fingers. First we'll make a slip knot. Cap will be started from the center, so we'll make a small ring. Slip knot we have made, now we'll make 5 chains to form a small ring. Now to form a ring, we'll attach it with the first chain with the help of slip stitch. We can also make a magic ring, but I prefer a solid ring. Now we'll make our first round. We'll first make 3 chains and we'll make 11 double crochets in the ring itself. Total there will be 12 double crochets including the 3 chains. Total we'll make 12 double crochets for the first round. Now 11 double crochets we have made in the ring, so we'll attach with the upper chain of the 3 chains with the help of slip stitch. Total we have 12 double crochets in first round. In second round we'll simply double the double crochets. Simply double the stitches. We have 12 double crochets for now. So after second round we'll have 24 double crochets. We'll make 2 double crochets in every stitch. In every stitch we'll make 2 double crochets in the second round. After the second round we'll have we have all made 2 double crochets in the second round in each stitch. So we'll slip stitch in the uppermost chain out of the 3 chains. 2 rounds we have completed. Now we'll start our third round after making 3 chains. Now we'll make 2 double crochets in one chain and 1 double crochet in one chain. That means we'll increase 1 double crochet in alternate stitch. So after the third round we'll have 36 double crochets or 36 stitches we can say. 12 double crochets will be increased in every round. Third round we completed. Following the pattern, we'll slip stitch. Now we have 36 stitches. In the fourth round, we'll make one double crochet in one stitch for 2 times and 2 double crochets in the third stitch. That means we'll increase 1 double crochet in every third stitch. So after this round we'll have 48 stitches because 12 double crochets will be increased in every round. 36 we had in the last round, third round, and the fourth round 12 double crochets. After increasing we'll have 48 stitches after that fourth round. Now it's the fifth round and last round. We'll make one double crochet in one stitch for 3 times and 2 double crochets in the fourth stitch. That means we'll increase 1 double crochet in every fourth stitch. So in this round also 12 double crochets will be increased and there will be total 60 double crochets after this round. Let's complete our last round. Now our 5 rounds are complete. Total we have 60 double crochets or 60 stitches. From now onwards we will not increase any stitch anywhere. Now we'll break the circle. 4 double crochets we'll make for the margin. And now we'll start our design. We'll skip 3 double crochets or stitches, then we'll make 3 double crochets, 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the fourth stitch. After skipping the first 3 chains, we'll make in the fourth chain. We'll skip 3 chains again and we'll make 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the fourth chain. This is very simple design. Apart from being simple, it looks equally beautiful. Skip first 3 chains and again make 3 double crochets, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. Following this pattern, we'll complete our circle. But we'll not fully complete. We'll skip 3 chains and we'll make the margin as we made in the starting. 4 double crochets we'll make and 1 chain will remain at the end that will not knit. We'll leave 1 chain in between the 2 bifurcations. Now we'll not go in round, we'll go in rows. Our second row starts. First we'll make margin of 4 double crochets. And we'll make 3 double crochets, 1 chain and 1 double crochets in the pocket. In every pocket we'll make the same design, 3 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet in every pocket. The design is very easy. We can put any design on this cap. Following this pattern, we'll have total 6 rounds of this design. 6 rows we'll make following this pattern. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. But don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. Let's complete our total 6 rounds. See the elasticity of the side. That's not very stern. Total 6 rounds we have made. See the shape of the cap. It is really very beautiful. Now we are going to make our last round. We'll make 1 double crochet on every existing 1 double crochet. We'll not make 1 double crochet in the chain or gap. We'll make only 1 double crochet on the double crochet we had already made in the last round. So total we'll have 7 rounds after the circle. The cap is very easy to make, even beginners can very well make it. We've completed our last round also. Now we'll make one strap to put through the cap. For this we'll make first 4 chains. And we'll make 4 double crochet in the first chain. This will work for a small pom-pom. 4 double crochets we'll make in the first chain. Now we'll make 3 chains, slip stitch in the first chain, and we'll make 90 chains, or bring to the length of the desired length. We'll take the thread along the chain to subside this thread. 90 chains we'll make. Now before making the last or second pom-pom, we'll put through this strap through the cap. We'll take the thread also with the chain. Now we'll make our second pom-pom. We'll bring the thread, sufficient thread we'll bring out. For second pom-pom we'll make 3 chains. And we'll make 4 double crochets after skipping the first 3 chains, or in the 4th chain we'll make 4 double crochets. Second small pom-pom we have made, making the fourth chain. Now we'll detach the thread after making one chain and pulling it tight. We'll take this thread at the back neatly. We'll pull out the extra thread. The cap looks really very cute and beautiful. I'm eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.